One day in the restaurant. Good morning. Good morning. Have you got a table for one? Yes, miss. Over there, please. May I see the menu, please? Here you are. Thank you. May I have drink first, please? Sure. What would you like to drink? I would like coffee. This is your coffee. Are you ready to order? Thank you. Yeah, I would like spicy fried rice with egg, please. Here you are. Enjoy your meal. Thank you. You're welcome. A few moments later. Excuse me, would you give me some dessert, please? Thank you. Anything else? Mineral water, please. Yes, I'll be back in a minute, please. Thank you for waiting. Here you are. Thank you. May I have the bill, please? That'll be 65,000 rupees. Here's your chance. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hi guys, today I will explain about food product and non-food product. Food product and non-food product you can find in the supermarket, but I will explain about food product first. The first is chocolate, and then candy, next flour, and then cheese, rice, sugar, bread, ice cream, milk, and the last Indomie. Okay, I will mention 10 non-food product. The first is shampoo, soap, toothpaste, brush teeth, skincare product, and then perfume, hair perfume, and then slippers and clothes. There are jacket, t-shirt, shirt, pants, skirt, and then maybe gloves, and all the kind of clothes you can find in the supermarket. And then kitchen equipment. There are spoon, plate, bowl, and then stove, um, and etc. You can find in the supermarket. Thank you guys for watching my video, and goodbye.